Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Today, we have a treat for you. We've curated a list of 14 incredible tools that will empower you to tackle any DIY project with confidence. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just starting out, this video is packed with tools that will take your projects to the next level. So, let's jump right in. The Ecofine 12 pieces a 1/4-inch ratchet socket wrench set is a versatile and essential tool for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. This set includes 10 high-quality CRV metric sockets ranging from 4mm to 13mm, each labeled for easy organization. The ergonomic easy grip ratcheting handle ensures comfortable use and quick switching of directions, while the product's exceptional durability guarantees long-lasting performance. The set also features 10 collecting holders for convenient storage. Additionally, the set comes with a 100mm drive extension bar made from chrome vanadium steel, allowing for easy access to hard-to-reach areas. The Channellock 2-piece speed grip tongue and groove pliers set is a powerful and reliable tool for various applications. With its fast and easy push-button adjustment, it securely locks into undercut channels for a secure grip. The laser heat-treated crosshatch teeth offer exceptional gripping power, surpassing traditional Channellock 90-degree teeth by 2.5 times. The solid alloy steel fastener ensures strength and dependability, while the safe T-stop feature prevents finger pinching during use. The pliers also feature a reaming function for effortless pipe deburring. Crafted from forged high-carbon US steel, these pliers provide ultimate strength and are coated to prevent rust. The Channellock blue molded non-slip grips ensure optimal control and comfort while working. The Klein Tools precision screwdriver set is a comprehensive kit that includes 39 bits specifically designed for working with electronics and precision fasteners, making it ideal for repairing Apple products like the iPhone, MacBook, and watch. The set features powerful magnets in the barrel to ensure solid connections, allowing the bits to securely pick up and hold fasteners. The reversible barrel offers extended reach for hard-to-reach jobs, with one side being standard length and the other extra long. The industrial-strength heat-treated bits are extra long for easier handling and access. The set comes in a heavy-duty plastic case with a stay-shut latch for convenient organization and portability. The screwdriver spin cap provides smooth and precise control, while the cushion grip handle ensures maximum comfort during use. The Verilyn Beard Growth Kit is a comprehensive solution for maintaining a shiny and healthy beard. This kit contains a range of high-quality products designed to promote beard growth and enhance its overall appearance. Crafted with organic natural ingredients like jojoba oil, argan oil, shea butter, and vitamin E, this beard growth kit effectively reduces itching, softens the beard, and stimulates faster growth, resulting in a fuller, healthier, stronger, and shinier beard. Packaged in a luxurious bamboo box, the Verilyn Beard Growth Kit includes essential items such as a beard roller, beard growth oil, beard cream, beard comb, a useful beard ebook, and a travel storage bag. With these comprehensive tools at your disposal, you have everything you need to achieve and maintain an impressive beard. Experience the benefits of this premium beard growth kit and elevate your grooming routine to new heights. The Kosu's original rechargeable headlamps are a versatile lighting solution that offers incredible brightness and convenience. With a powerful 1000-lumen LED headlamp flashlight, it provides a wide beam and spotlight functionality, ensuring you can easily illuminate your surroundings without the need to constantly move your head. Weighing just 2.4 ounces, 70 G, this lightweight headlamp features a flexible silicone rubber headband for a comfortable fit. It offers multiple light modes, including high and low settings for both floodlight and spotlight options. The headlamp also has a motion detection feature, allowing you to turn the light on or off by waving your hand in front of the sensor. This rechargeable headlamp is perfect for camping, home projects, and emergency situations. The high-volume powerful industrial air blow gun is a durable and reliable tool designed for efficient cleanup operations. Its new design features an inner supercharging construction and a lengthened tapered airflow nozzle, resulting in high-volume and powerful blow-off capabilities. The blow gun is built to last, with a high-pressure resistance copper alloy adjusting nut, a high-impact stainless steel airflow nozzle, and a sturdy chrome zinc alloy body. It also incorporates improved sealing components for enhanced reliability. With its extended reach addition, the blow gun can access hard-to-reach areas, extending up to 26 inches with its extensible 14 to 21-inch airflow nozzle. Suitable for a wide range of applications, it effectively blows away dust, water, powder, debris, and more. The blow gun also offers convenient storage with its 360-degree swivel hook, making it easy to use and store. The HomeIt mop and broom holder is a practical storage solution that keeps your cleaning tools, garage items, and garden tools organized and easily accessible. With 5 slots and 6 hooks, this holder offers ample space for hanging brooms, mops, rakes, shovels, and more. Mounting the holder is effortless, as it comes with all the necessary hardware and a drilling template. The durable design ensures that each slot can support up to 7.5 pounds, with a total load-bearing capacity of 38 pounds. The easy-release design of the slots and the non-slip, soft rubber grids provide secure and quick access to your tools. This versatile holder can also be used to hang everyday household items, freeing up valuable floor space. The HomeIt mop and broom holder is a convenient and efficient solution for organizing your space. The ICRAM closed barrel crimper is a professional-grade toolkit for precise crimping of closed barrel terminals. With an upgraded internal structure, it ensures stability and equal power distribution for high-precision crimps on connectors like DT, DTP, DTM, DTHD, HD10, HD30, HDP20, DRC, DRB, and Amphenol ATP, ATM, ATD series. The kit includes a crimping tool, extraction tools, release tools, and a contact and wedge lock removal tool. It features 5 cavities for B-shaped conductors and open barrel terminals with a crimping range of AWG 24-14. The smooth polished cavities provide durable connections for WeatherPack and MetriPack terminals. This iCrimp crimper is a reliable solution for secure and precise crimping in automotive and other applications. The Praxisome Multisurface Laser Level is a versatile tool that simplifies various tasks like hanging frames, mounting pictures, and home renovation. With its simple one-switch operation, it projects 3 level lines onto the surface, allowing homeowners to easily start their projects. The laser level features an angle dial with LED lights for angle reference, making it convenient to adjust angles within the range of 15 degrees to 75 degrees. The accuracy of the laser lines is ensured, with horizontal and vertical lines projected on any surface up to 30 feet. The built-in bubble vials provide additional accuracy for leveling. The bonus wall mount base is included, providing hands-free operation with 3 fixing options for different surfaces. Whether it's woodworking, shelf installation, or precise alignment tasks, the Praxisome Multi-Surface Laser Level is a reliable tool for achieving precise and professional results. The DeWalt 8V Max cordless screwdriver kit offers precise fastening control with its motion activation variable speed and reversing control. It operates at a variable speed range of 0 to 430 RPM, making it suitable for wood, plastic, and light-gauge metal fastening. The 2-position handle allows for operation in either inline or pistol grip, providing flexibility and control. The built-in LED illumination eliminates shadows in confined areas. The battery charge status indicator notifies when it's time to recharge. With its 1/4-inch hex chuck, quick bit changes are effortless. The DeWalt 8V Max cordless screwdriver kit is a reliable tool that delivers efficient and accurate fastening performance. The Misting System Water Sprayer for Cutting Machine is a high-efficiency dust collector that offers precision cleaning and protects your health. It reduces dust on the cutter, requiring less water for effective cleaning. The sprayer improves processing accuracy and efficiency, saving time and costs. Made with high-quality ABS material, it is lightweight, corrosion-resistant, and can withstand high temperatures. This versatile sprayer is widely used for dust removal in various cutting machines and can also serve other water spraying purposes. Installation is simple. Fix the spout on the stainless steel fixture, insert the hose through the nut, and tighten. Grandpa's Weeder is a remarkable weeding tool that offers an easy and simple solution for removing weeds without straining your back and knees. With its 45-inch stand-up bamboo long handle, you can effortlessly eliminate weeds without bending, pulling, or kneeling, making the weeding process more comfortable and convenient. Made of sturdy steel, this weeder features a 4-claw design that effectively tackles weeds on most soil types, particularly after a good watering or rainfall. It provides a reliable solution for maintaining weed-free gardens and landscapes, although it may not perform optimally on extremely hard clay or rocky surfaces. What sets Grandpa's Weeder apart is its ability to control weeds without resorting to harmful chemicals. This makes it safe for children, pets, and the environment, promoting a more eco-friendly approach to weed management. Say goodbye to backaches and knee pain caused by traditional weeding methods. With Grandpa's Weeder, you can efficiently and comfortably remove weeds, enjoying a pristine garden without the physical strain or the need for chemicals. The Klein Tools telescoping magnetic LED light and pickup tool is a versatile and practical tool suitable for work as well as outdoor activities like hiking and camping. Its telescoping arm extends up to 22 inches, 55.9 centimeters, allowing you to reach objects beyond your grasp effortlessly. With a powerful magnetic head boasting a 2-pound, 0.9 kilograms pickup strength, this tool is ideal for retrieving small metallic items. The built-in LED light illuminates your path, making it easier to navigate in dimly lit areas. The LED light is powered by 2 AAA alkaline batteries, which come included with the tool. The 2-inch, 51mm, flexible gooseneck end enables easy maneuverability around obstacles. The rubberized handle ensures a secure grip for comfortable and precise usage. The pocket clip allows for convenient storage when not in use. Designed to withstand various conditions, this tool is both dust and water resistant with an IP54 rating. It offers 25 lumens of brightness and has an approximate runtime of 10 hours. Whether you need to pick up small objects or require a reliable light source, the Klein Tools telescoping magnetic LED light and pickup tool is a reliable companion for a wide range of tasks, both indoors and outdoors. The Ecofine folding utility knife box cutter is a versatile tool that combines multiple practical functions into a compact design. With its box cutter, fruit knife, saw, and various screwdrivers, it serves as a handy pocket tool for everyday tasks. The ergonomic curve of the steel handle ensures a secure grip and safety during use. The backlock design keeps the blade securely in place, allowing for easy one-hand opening and closing. With a quick change mechanism, you can safely replace the blades as needed. Portable and equipped with a belt clip, this utility knife is always within reach for projects at home, work, or even during outdoor activities.